This 2026 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 310B is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 38 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleep 7, smoke detector, Slideout, Awning, LP detector, microwave, water heater, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, stovetop burner, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bath, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 310B is 9,088 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.